Hey guys, breaking a 5.7 magnitude earthquake happened in the Samoan Islands region. Samoa is near Fiji and Tonga in the South Pacific. There's been a lot of earthquakes happening between Fiji, Samoa, New Zealand, and Tonga. Tonga had some big quakes not too long ago. In my last video, I reported a 6.2 quake, but a 5.7 earthquake in Samoa, which is located near Fiji, Tonga, and New Zealand. It's in that area of the South Pacific. You know, you got Fiji, you got Samoa, you got Tonga. But again, breaking a 5.7 magnitude earthquake in the Samoa Islands region.